Naghahanap ka ba ng overlooking house and lot? Kung naghahanap ka, please type yes in the comment section below so I can give you more details of this home. Pero bago yan, pagpatuloy po muna tayo sa ating tour. Ito yung 2-car carport, yung pocket garden mo, at ito yung staircase going up to your second floor kung saan na dito yung main door. Ito yung pasad ng house and lot mo. Pasok tayo dito sa loob. Itong house and lot na to, may sukat ito na 167 square meter ang lot area and ang floor area niya 262 square meter. Dadalhin ko naman kayo ngayon dito sa inyong spacious and gorgeous kitchen. Yan, upper cabinet, may modern light above. At ito yung inyong bedroom dito sa second floor. At yung katapat niyan, ito yung iyong toilet and bathroom na naka full tiles.